What's up, y'all? So in today's video, I'll be going over candle range theory, what is CRT, how to pick CRTs, and how to trade them. So first things first, what is CRT? So CRT is pretty much every candle is a range. Every candle is a range. And a higher time frame candle is a lower time frame range. So next thing you need to know is market profiles. So markets are either ranging, trending, and ranging. So we're either ranging or trending. So next are your specific times. You need to know your specific times because these things happen every day at a specific time. You need to find your SMTs, power of threes, open, high, low, close, open, low, high, close. So once you have your specific times, you now how to identify them. So this is how we are going to identify CRTs. So first thing is look for them around key levels. Number two, look for candles inside the CRT. I'll be showing you guys what it looks like. So let's say we have 3 candles, right? We have one. That is not what I meant to do. Alright, so this is our 3 candles that we have. Make it a little bit neater for you guys. So in a higher time frame, this is what it would look like. We would have these 3 candles inside of this, because this is the CRT right here. This is the CRT high. This will be our range high. And then this will be the range low. And our job is to wait for one to get manipulated. So if we're bullish, we want to see this range low get swept. Excuse me. We want to see this range low get swept, and then we would dive into the lower time frame for our entries. But we'll get into that later. And number 3 for how to identify CRTs. Lower time frame CRT within higher time frame CRT are the highest probable, like they're very like probability that price will go your way. And number 4, look for CRTs inside key times. So your time sequences are 1, 5, 9, and 1, 3, 6, and 9. And number 5, market conditions. Market conditions and profile. Last but not least, correlated pairs. So for me, I trade NQ, so my correlated pair is ES. This where you confirm your SMTs and all that. So boom. So going back to this example right here, this drawing. So what we want to see if we're bullish is we want to see price take out this range low, and if we're bearish, we want to see price take out this range high. So let me show you guys real markets. So we had this 1 hour range right here. As you can see, we had this big candle. We took out this range low because once this candle closed, we take out this range low. You want to go and look for longs because we're also inside of this key level right here, which is this 1 hour bullish fair value gap. So this is the key level. Once we break this low, you want to go and look for your entry, your turtle soup, your unicorn, whatever your model is. For me, it's the soup. So once I'm in my 5 minute looking for my soup, I pull up ES. Right, I'll pull up ES and look for the soup. As you can see right here, this low right here, we took it on NQ but did it on ES. So that's the soup right here. So once we have this soup, I wait for this candle to close above. So whenever we close above this candle, this confirms the bullish order block. So once I see my order block, I wait for the retracement back into it for my entry. And then you always want to target 50% of the range and then the opposing side. So since this was a 8:30 news candle, price is very likely to go, to that target because 8:30 news candles, the highs and lows are key levels. They're key targets. So this how your stop and entry would look. You would put your stop right here, and then your entry is retracement to the order block, targeting 50% of the range and then the opposing side. So right here, I would hold all the way through because I know this 8:30 news candle is definitely a target. And then after we manipulated price down here, because we took out the range low, so we see 9 o'clock candle open, manipulated lower, and then price started going higher. So it's really a simple concept, but it's not easy. You're gonna have to backtest this, and then you'll master it. But that'll be the end of the video. I appreciate y'all for 20 subs. We still grinding. Go follow me on Twitter, NQClaw_, and I'm gonna see y'all later.